Hi, I'm Ms. Polanco, and I'm the new principal of Unity Reed High School. Hola, me llamo señora Polanco y soy la nueva directora de Unity Reed High School. I'm really excited to be principal of Unity Reed High School. You know, as a student myself, it wasn't until my 12th grade year in high school that my math teacher really believed in me and made the difference in my life. And I knew that when becoming an educator, I wanted to be that same person for all students that she was for me. And as principal of Unity Reed High School, I don't only get to do that for students, I get to do that for staff, I get to do that for a whole school community. And I'm so excited to partner in that and be a part of the Unity Reed High School family. Just like our motto says, our strength is in unity. This year, I want to create a strong sense of belonging for our students, for our staff, and create strong community partnerships. Because together, our students can and will achieve excellence, not only in school, but in life after graduation as well.